So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday the 18th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices, and we price them in like we go. So previously we had prices interact with 12.15, had this pullback, posted a somewhat higher low, found support above the 11.60. Now we've had prices trade through that 12.15 again. Weren't able to hold on to the 12.15. What we have seen is a break back down below the 12.15. And if we do see this momentum fall through, looking for a move down towards 11.60. Previous scenario acted as resistance, major acted support. See a bullish bounce back up towards that 12.15. And if we do break and hold that 12.15, we are then looking for price head up towards that 12.52. Successful break from which the very next level of notes beyond the 12.52 is 12.77, and beyond that, if we do see sufficient volatility, we're looking for move towards that 13.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 11.60, if we do see a breakdown from this 11.60 here on the US dollar Japanese yen, should be aware of the 200, 400 period averages, but the very next horizontal level of note is a move down towards that 111 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 111 here to the downside on the US dollar Japanese yen. It's somewhat kind of trend, would somewhat require the breaking of this current trend that we are in. I wouldn't anticipate price moving beyond the 111. I expect that to be the far end of the range here to the downside. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, as we can see more recently, we've had this move to the upside towards 11.60 pullback, had this consolidation, held supporting around 10.73 without a confluence of 400 period average, broke out of this range, tested 12.15. Previous scenario, we've encountered resistance at source. We did see the sell side momentum come into the market from. At present, we're further test of that 12.15 we've rejected, so we'll see whether we can hold on to this if we can hold the 11.60 for another test and possible break towards that 13.04 from a daily chart perspective, or we will see a complete failure here, possibly closing near that 11.60, breaking down towards that 111, and possibly even that very strong level here of notes, that 10.73. Now we've mentioned that 13.04 to the upside, and that's only possible if we can break and hold this area that's proven itself to be difficult in around 12.15. If we can break and hold that 12.15, possibly from a daily chart perspective, looking for that 13.04. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.